In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about a chain space. So a chain space is something that's going to occur in a project where you have a chain. So for instance, we have this little square and I'm going to chain, let's just say 3. And then you're going to skip the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3. Go into the next one, and then if you were to keep crocheting down, and this could be on any project, it could be on amigurumis, it could be on like apparel, anything like that. So now, as you'll see, you have a little hole right here. That's gonna be the chain space. So if you're crocheting and in your pattern it says to go into the chain space or into the stitch, that's going to be 2 separate places. So let me get back over. All right, so if you're going to be going into the chain, not the chain space, then you would actually be inserting your hook into the chain right there, not into the chain space. You're in the actual chain and you would crochet with the chain. That's probably more common. Now, if in your pattern it says in the chain space, that's when you're gonna go into the hole and go through the whole thing like that. So that's kind of what the chain space means. It just kind of depends on what the pattern says, but if it ever says chain space, that's what it's talking about, is where you have a chain and you purposely left this area unworked. Anyways, that's chain space.